Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Miss King's World, and today I'm going to be showing you how I do my spiritual and cleansing bath. I take this every few months when I need to reset and cleanse my mind, body, and soul. So if you are interested, keep watching this video. So first, I start off by making a little concoction. I start with chamomile tea, which is a known herb for purification, protection, and also helps to promote peace, relaxation, and reduce anxiety. Next, I'll be adding orange peel, which has a citrus scent that brings freshness and a renewal type of energy. This helps to alleviate and brighten aura. And oranges are also used to boost immune system. In Japan and China, some even use grinded up tangerine or orange powder in their bath. And next, I'll be using a lemon, which is a natural cleanser and purifier, similar to how we drink lemon water, but lemons are really good for refreshing and reviving tired skin. So yeah, that's my little tea concoction that I'll be adding to my bath. So first, I start off by cleaning my bath, preferably with something a little bit more natural. You are trying to get rid of toxins, not sit in them. And normally I just clean my bath with whatever, I'm not going to lie to you. But for this specific bath, I try to be very aware and intentional about what I'm putting in my bath and what I'm using in my bath, and also what I'm thinking while cleaning and cleansing. So make sure you take that into consideration when you are about to prepare your bath. Then I light sage. You're going to see me do this a few times. I do this to cleanse my bath and my bathroom and my room as well, and just to clean and cleanse out the bad vibes, the negative energy, and kind of just set the room and set the tone for the bath. And I do like to talk things into existence and kind of set the intention of what I'm purifying. So I'm cleaning my bath for this, and I'm getting rid of my toxins, and I don't want negative energy. Just, setting the tone, as I said. But burning sage has a lot of benefits. It helps to purify specific objects, remove bacteria from air, improve mood, and reduce stress and anxiety, improve intuition, and is also an insect repellent. But it has a bunch of different benefits. Burning, as I'm doing, or if you eat it or drink it or use it on skin. Then I go in with my Himalayan sea salt, which is a very powerful cleansing agent, and it's great for unblocking chakras. It's a natural purifier with high vibrational frequency, which will in turn increase your frequency. And in many cultures, they believe sea salt absorbs negative energy and toxins, and it is also said to be a stress reliever and is a staple in every and any bath that I take. But for this bath, it is much needed. Next, I'll be clarifying my crystals. Sadly, I forgot all my crystals at home before I moved, but I did manage to bring my amethyst, which is actually my birthstone. But this is a very, very powerful and protective stone. It is said to help protect you from spiritual attacks and ill wishes from others. It increases spiritual awareness, inner peace, and healing, heals your mind, body, and soul, helps in positive transformation, meditation, balance. It's a stress reliever. It encourages sobriety. It relieves insomnia. It encourages spiritual wisdom, and just so much more. And I absolutely love this crystal, and I have two of them. I don't know, my voice is cracking. And excuse the air show outside. I don't know what's going on, but it sounds crazy. So next, I am going to be using a candle, as you can see. Like I said, I like to cleanse everything that is around and in my bath. So I make sure these are also on the same level, vibe, frequency like everything else that is going to be going in my bath. Next, I'll be using a goat milk bath bomb. This is said to date back to over 2,000 years. Cleopatra was also known for her milk baths, but different milks are said to encourage different things, but goat's milk in specific is to encourage power and success. Now, I'm going to be using my essential oils. The first one I'm going to start with is peppermint. It is important not to add too many drops because sometimes they can irritate skin, but peppermint is good for uplifting your mood, helps with mental fatigue, improves mental clarity, alertness, concentration, and memory, and energizes and refreshes. Next, I'm going to be using, not sure if I'm pronouncing this right, bergamot, which is antibacterial and anti-inflammatory, reduces pain, is a stress reliever, and increases positive mood. Again, do not add too much oil to your bath. Then I'll be burning frankincense, which has been around for thousands of years and is known for its healing properties. It is said to balance and purify, also helps with spiritual awareness, is an antidepressant, and is perfect for your emotional detox. Then I'll be adding dried flowers. Different flowers are good for different things, and this has become super popular, these flower baths. But roses are good for love. Lavender is good for a calm mind or relieve stress. Jasmine uplifts, so find what flower best suits you and your bath. A manifestation journal. I like to write in it before my bath just to set the intention and what I want from my bath and what I want to clarify and what I want for myself moving forward. And I also like to set this aside just in case any thoughts pop up when I'm in my bath, so I can just write them down. And lastly, I like to have water as well. Nice cold water because you want to stay hydrated. And I also added my tea in this as well, but for some reason, I don't know where that footage is, but it's definitely in there. But that's pretty much how I make my bath. So some final tips for taking your bath. The first thing is they say not to add any soaps into your ritual bath. So what I personally like to do is I like to shower before, wash myself with just a regular shower with soap, and then take my bath. And when I'm done, I like to just rinse off just with cool water, no soap. Some people say you're not supposed to rinse off, but me personally, I feel like what I've been sitting in and soaking in, I just want to rinse any negativity, any last bit of doubt down the drain. Next, I like to disconnect, and I do not bring my phone into the bathroom, especially if you're always plugged in. You really want to use this time to just refocus and recenter yourself, and you do not want outside distractions. But I do bring in my laptop, and I usually put on meditation music, just a playlist from YouTube. And I love this because they also don't have any commercials, so it's nice because they just completely play without, again, any interruptions. I also like to say prayers and repeat positive mantras to myself. Sometimes I'll read a book, but personally my favorite is just listening to the meditation music, focusing on my breathing and watching the steam come off the bath and my body, because I feel like it's just the negative energy flowing away into the atmosphere and leaving my body. At some point in time, I always make sure that I dunk my entire body, including my head and my hair. I feel like this just allows the ritual bath to wash over your entire body from head to toe instead of just being just a regular bath. If you don't have a bath, you can also do this in the shower as well. I will make a separate video on how you could do it in the shower, but I like to usually do this during the full moon or the new moon. That way I could pull energy from the earth, especially when it's your birthday month. I definitely want to make sure that I do a ritual bath around that time. And it is important to note that you don't have to use everything that I used. You can customize your own bath. This is specific to you and your needs and what you think will help you. But I do recommend a few things like the sage and the journal and stuff like that. And lastly, I can say that I love taking this. I feel so much better when I'm finished. I feel recentered. I feel refocused. If you're having a bad time, hard time, I feel like it just puts you back in a positive space. And yeah, it always really helps me. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And it's a little bit different than my usual videos, but I definitely want to incorporate spirituality. But if you did like this video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you for another video. Enjoy your bath. Bye, guys.